Hey, what's up? Aaron here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be on Userfeel and you're wondering, can you really make money actually testing different websites and apps? Can you make up to $30? Because that's what they claim. Let's take a look at Userfeel. Let's talk about how it works. What do you actually have to do? And can you really make money from this website? Is it legit or is this just a waste of your time? All right. Now, at any time, if you want to get my favorite way to get to 5 to 10,000 US dollars minimum per month, every single month, 100% from home, all you need to do is just click the link below this video and I'll send you my favorite strategy on how to do that directly to your email if you would like. All right, now let's check out Userfeel. Listen, I have reviewed hundreds of different make money online style websites. This is basically a user testing platform, which means that you can join from anywhere in the world, all right, which is very cool. And all you're doing is you're testing different websites and different apps to see how it feels, how it flows, and these types of websites will pay Userfeel to basically do market research on people like you to see how the Apple website feels before they launch it. That's how it works, and they'll pay you a little bit of money for that. All right. Now there are a lot of different user testing websites, but Userfeel is definitely one of the better ones. And the thing I like about it is that it's very transparent. Okay, so again, you can be based anywhere in the world. You can just come to this website right here. You can create your account, all right? And it depends on what kind of devices you have, right? So if you have an iPhone, an Android, whether you have a Mac computer or Windows computer, will depend on how many tests that you can take. Also, the thing that you must have is you need a mic because you need to be able to record your responses while you're actually taking the test and going through a website or an app. They just need a bit of feedback. So if you're not comfortable with doing that, then unfortunately you can't be a tester, okay? But again, they don't need someone professional, to speak professionally or anything like that. You just need to kind of go through the website like I'm going through right now and just kind of talk, I kind of like this here, this was nice, I was clicking on this, that kind of thing, all right? Now, once you log in, the big question is how many tests can you take and how much money can you make, all right? So the first thing that I want to mention is that sometimes you might get 5 tests in a day, and other times you might get no tests for a whole year. That's basically how Userfeel works. They even said it directly on their website. And that's generally the way that user testing websites work, right? Sometimes you get a lot of tests, sometimes you get 0 tests at all. It all depends on where you're based in the world, what kind of device you have, and how many jobs they're getting from their clients at that particular time, all right? Which is why user testing in general, if you're going to be testing websites, you should join a few different testing websites. Don't just join one user testing website because you probably won't get that many jobs. So unfortunately, it's not going to be like a full-time income thing. But the thing is when you do get jobs, they pay pretty well, okay? So user testing will pay between $3 and $30 per test. So that's real, all right? And the way that it works is their tests take between 5 minutes, 20 minutes, 40 minutes, and 60 minutes long. So for a 5-minute test, they will pay you $3. For a 20-minute test, they will pay you $10. For a 40-minute test, they will pay you $20. And for a 60-minute test, they will pay you $30. But on average, most of their tests are 20 minutes long, where you can earn $10, okay? But the problem is that you're not always going to have tests available. Again, like I mentioned earlier, sometimes you might have a couple of tests, up to 5 tests a day. Sometimes you'll have no tests for a year. And that's the problem. It's the consistency, okay? But the nice thing is that all you have to do is log in, take a pre-qualification test that doesn't take that long, and then have a look based on your interface to see how many tests you can take. Just take the test, record it. After you record the test, and once it's successful, Userfeel will pay you 1 week after the successful test directly into your PayPal account. So you must have a PayPal account. If you don't have one, you can just sign up for a free PayPal account with PayPal. Just head to paypal.com and it's very, very easy to do that. And that's it. It's very, very simple, right? So if you're wondering if this is a legitimate way to make money, yes, it is. But again, you're not going to be able to take 5 tests a day every single day. Some days you might have 1 test, another day you might have 0 tests, another day you might have 3 tests, that kind of thing. Sometimes you'll have 0 tests for months and months and months. So it really depends, okay? But are they legit and are they real? Absolutely. So if you want to check out userfeel.com, just head over to the website and you can set yourself up to start making money taking different tests. All right. I hope you enjoyed this review of Userfeel. But if you're here watching this review right now, maybe you're someone that's looking for a way to make more solid side income. Maybe you even want to make full-time income online. You just don't know how. Right now, there are a lot of different ways to make money online these days. One of the ways is to do user testing like I showed you right now on this video for Userfeel. But there are lots of different other ways you can do them. You can watch videos, you can start a dropshipping business, you can do affiliate marketing, you can do surveys, you can do GPT websites. There's lots of different ways, but some of them don't pay very well. Okay, so just like Userfeel, which is okay, but there's not that consistency, maybe you're looking for a more consistent way. Maybe you want to spend 1 or 2 hours a day, 3 hours a day, and generate hundreds of dollars. And there are ways to do that, all right? And I've tried all sorts of different ways, but my favorite strategy, my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 US per month, every month, and all you need is an internet connection and your computer. It's a very specific strategy. I would love to send that to you if you would like. Just click the link below this video and opt in, and I will send that directly to your email, all right? And you can check it out. So I hope you enjoyed this review today of Userfeel, and I hope to see you on another review video. Take care.